The second aspect of a large language model is that it's general purpose. When we say that an LLM is general purpose, we mean that the model has been trained on a wide variety of text data from the internet, and it's designed to understand and generate human language in a broad and versatile manner. It's not specialized for just one thing. It's a multi-talented language tool that can assist with many different jobs involving words and communication. If you've worked with much machine learning before, you'll be familiar with training a model for a specific task, such as classification or clustering. But with LLMs, the initial goal is to give the model a general understanding of knowledge and how language works, so that it can be applied to more specific tasks later on. We pre-train the model to understand general language and solve many general-purpose problems. Then we can fine-tune it to work on specific tasks or industries. Now, let's do a deep dive into what we mean into pre-training and fine-tuning these models.